How you doing, folks? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 72 C10 Custom, done in Victory Red, base coat, clear coat, slick, nice paint on the truck. See, they did the billet grill in it. All the grill surround and bumpers, all the chrome, super nice, all been replaced. All the side moldings on the truck are real nice. It's got your factory rally wheels. Got a black tonneau cover. They did the smooth rear bumper on it. It's a Blazer style rear bumper. It looks real nice on these trucks. Smooth tailgate. Got all LED tail lights. Just a super nice truck. It is a long box. Very nice truck though. Factory air, power steering, power disc brakes. It's all real nice under the hood. It's all been redone. It's been nicely updated with a 700 R4 overdrive trans. You had to bear with us, the sun's kind of coming and going today. It's real clean, jams and everything are real nice. All the interior's new. It's got factory tilt steering column. It's got retrofit AM FM stereo with the IPOD connector. Nice set of leather bucket seats. Center armrest folds up. Also a buddy seat. The tank's been moved to the rear. It's got the Blazer style tank in the rear. Something they did is pretty slick. Gas fillers in the side marker light. It's all hinged. Super slick. And rhino lined inside. It's a nice thing about the tonneau cover. It lifts up. You don't have to unsnap it all the time. Just a super nice clean truck. Air blows cold. See, the center console folds up. Now you got 3 passenger seating. All leather seats, they recline. Really nice. With the tank moved in the rear, you got more room in the truck. You know, some of you taller guys know these trucks don't have a lot of leg room in them, but when you move the tank to the back, it really makes them nice. Fires right up. I like the little mirrors, more of a sport mirror on it. The nice duals all the way out the back. I like the LED taillights. Just a nice touch. Tell you, the 700R overdrive trans in this thing, you drive it, run it down the freeway, go anywhere you want to go. Go to all your cruises, all your shows. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.